Oh, blizzard snow.
Bro.
Yeah.
I thought you said bomb, just bombed. I was like,
We'd hear about that
Oh,
one.
like,
I
yo,
said basically,
yo.
I'm being bombed with bloody snow. Bro, have you seen how crazy it is everywhere?
I'm talking,
Nuts.
bro. Like, you see how in the UK we had that 1 day of snow and then the whole rest of the week was a write off. They're having about, let's say, about 3-4 feet of snow.
Bro, it's nuts, bro. Someone done like a time lapse overnight, and every hour it was just slowly going up and up and up. Bro, some people's houses is going up to like their door.
So they're like proper jammed in. They're
Jammed
done.
in, bro. Who are those guys warming up with no shirts on?
Oh, the Seattle Seahawks.
Moving
yeah,
like-
them boys are studs.
Moving like they're being Kieran Tierney for Arsenal, mate. Mate, they were warming up, no shirts, in like
And it's
minus 40
minus
degrees
something. They're
Fahrenheit.
just there like, we're going to warm up with our top. I feel like it's a new NFL trend.